Hi parents, I wanted to do a quick video on Canvas. We made it through the first week and I'm so thankful for all of you because without you it wouldn't have happened. In Canvas, this is our classroom and every day the students should go to Romo's Rockstar in Canvas because this is where all of our good stuff is going to be, including the schedule. Now, and it has what group your child is in and what time they should be meeting. Sometimes if you're in the parent portal, you won't see that because you don't have a Microsoft Office Marietta account, but your child does. So your child can see the schedule depending on the day of the week. Today was Friday, so all students should click on Friday. And here's what they do with me in Zoom. These were the activities. Here, independent work is a list of what they should do on their own during the time they are not with me. So today it was complete noun and verb worksheet, which I just posted a video to Dojo of what that was. 20 minutes of I read. If you're done with I read, they had Epic. Everyone had an addition quiz. And Flipgrid hasn't been the best today, but there is a Flipgrid assignment that is asking them, oh good, it's working now. No, it's not. That is asking them to read the painting, which most of them have, but I need them to go back now and answer the questions to the painting. And I will show you what that looks like. This is what they read to me. If they haven't, please have them do that once Flipgrid is working. And these are the 3 questions I need them to answer or go back and answer. So back to this. So each day, students can go to the day of the week. It will tell them what they're doing with me and what they should do on their own. This is the list, and then here are some tabs. We do optional enrichment. That means if they've done all this and they want to even go farther, this is an optional assignment. If it's a Canvas assignment, they will turn it into me. Like this will come to me. The Flipgrid assignment will come to me via Canvas. Next, their to-do list is going to grow. Not overwhelming, but a lot of them are like, well, now what do I do? At some point, they will have plenty to do. I'm just rolling it out very slow. We're going to start testing them in iReady soon, and it will start building. But if you're like, I don't know what my kid is supposed to do, have them log into their Canvas, and it's right here for them. And once they've completed this, they can go and do this. They're done. So I just wanted to kind of let everybody know where this information was at. Thank you so much for a great week. Bye.